Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to earn passive income with cashback apps in Australia. So here is three notable cashback apps you can use. So number one is that you will just on let go on Shopback, and it is available on the region in Australia. You will just download it on the App Store or the Play Store Shopback application. So this is the such as like a popular platform that partner with numerous Australian retailer. Shopback provides cashback on a wide range of a product and services. They offer also Chrome extensions that allows you the available cashback deals and coupons as you shop. So the second is kickback. So basically, Kickback partner with over 1,000 retailer offering cashback on your purchases. They provide a Chrome extension for easy access to deal with include a price comparison tools on their website to ensure you are getting the best price. And the third is that swag bucks. So basically, Swagbucks is a like primarily known for paid surveys. Swagbucks also offers a cashback for online shopping. You can earn points called sub, and by shopping through their links, which can be redeemed for gift cards or cash via PayPal. So that's it. These are the three application of the earn a passive income with cashback. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.